Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to add custom fonts on Canva. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to take note of is we need to make sure that we have Canva Pro active. Because if we don't have Canva Pro, we won't be able to input or upload our custom fonts. But now, if we have access to Canva Pro, what we need to do and how we can upload our own custom fonts is go here. Please take note that in this tutorial, we will only be teaching you on how to navigate it. So from here, we're going to add a simple text, and on this section here, which is the name of the font, click on it, and then as you see at the bottom of this section, it says upload a font. And from there, what you need to do here is to upload that font that you just downloaded from the web. And that's how you add custom fonts on Canva. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.